How to sign into HBO Max. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into HBO Max. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for hbo.max.com. Once you land on this website, you want to click on the option of sign in. As soon as you click on the sign in option, another page will appear. Here you have the login portal. The first step you want to do is enter your email address. Then you want to enter your password. Once you have entered both these details, click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option. Here, enter your email address. Then click on the submit option. Now, a password reset link will be sent to your email address. Click on that link and create a new password. Now, if you do not have an account and you want to create one, you simply want to click on the option that says Create a Max account. Then you want to follow the on-screen prompts, select a plan, and then your new HBO Max account will be created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.